How's it going, YouTube? So we're gonna be doing some testing today with this new build. This was the Bandit that I had that y'all seen in the last couple videos. All I did was buy a LCG chassis and transfer it over. I wanted to try something different with my car. So first off, second of all, I'm trying a GoPro Hero 9 with the mic adjustment. So hopefully it's windy out. Hopefully right now y'all not hearing that. Anyway, back to the car. I wanted to do something that I could add time into my motor. So right now I have a Castle ESC, but I did go with a Tekin motor. Just want to try it out, try something different. So my other car has a Castle motor as well, and as you know, Castle motor, you can't adjust timing. So I want to see what this car would give me. Still gonna keep staying with that one, but I just wanted to see what this one would do. I'm not gonna stay with this body. It looks good for now, but I'm not gonna stay with it. Probably just be a show body. If anything, I'll probably mess it up today, but we'll see. Tomorrow is the big event, so I probably will add this one in too, but we'll see how it goes now, and then we'll go from there. So y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, hopefully the camera's adjusted right. So that little slideshow I did, I smelled something smoking. Well, not smoking, it smelled like something was burning, and when I look, I had the fan plugged in backwards. And mind you, I told you I was a new build, so I didn't check that, and I think I just burnt out the fan I put in there. Brand new fan, but I'm not worried about it. I got a nasty ground out here, as y'all can see. I'm just trying to get some passes and see what this car is doing, you know? So another thing is, I'm not gonna be able to do that much hits, is because I don't want the ESC to get hot and cook on me. Brakes is up too high. Car looking good though. Turn on the brakes. Sorry about that, y'all. I don't know what it's doing right now, but my purpose of coming out right now is just to make sure the car is dialed in, and we'll go from there. But it's looking good. It's looking good. So nasty ground out, if y'all could see all of that, but the car looking good. Just testing, making sure it's not getting too hot, everything like that. I don't got a fan on this motor as of yet, but it's coming out nice. See if I crank it up a little bit more, what it does. Track and straight. Probably show y'all the underneath. But might as well go ahead and do it now. Show y'all the underneath. I went with a whole new shock setup, everything, so just to try it out and see what happens. So far I'm liking it. It's coming out nice. I'd rather get it on a better road, but hey, it was an overnight build. Literally built this overnight. Oh yeah, y'all see all that stuff in there. Look at all that stuff in there. You can't tell me this don't mess up my ride. Look at these tires. They shouldn't even be hooking up. Alright, that's the setup. I put everything in the middle. I built my own little plate right here, put everything in the middle. This is way different from my other car, so those are shocks I'm using in the back, and shocks in the back is kind of soft, but this is the shocks I'm using in the front, which is the stock shocks. This is the this is the only ESC I had at the moment. That's why it's in there, so I had to make a trade to make it work. But if I do get another ESC, I'll probably take this big ESC out of there. Handling though, ESC ain't even warm. The motor ain't getting hot because it ain't shut down, but that's the motor I got right there, y'all. I ain't even gonna be afraid to show y'all. I got an eliminator motor, the Tika Eliminator 3.5. I'ma see what I could do with this thing. So y'all stay tuned for that. Haven't got it on the tree yet, so y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's cash days. This would be the first car I would be testing. I want to see what it does on the tree. I wish I would have set it up today, but as y'all can see, it doesn't look great out. So let's get all this stuff out the car. And then we'll get it back. It's taking off hard. See, that wheelie bar is bent, so that'll throw me off once it hits that. One more, y'all, and I'm gonna call it a wrap. It's more like it. Alright, too, we're gonna call it a wrap. So I got some adjustments to do. I want to stiffen up the suspension a little bit. Got too much body roll, and a few more things I want to do to it. So y'all stay tuned for the tomorrow's cash days, and I'll be testing this in the beginning of the event. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for tuning in. Moving over. I'm gonna change this body though, so y'all stay tuned.